Well, hello my YouTube friends. I am back with another very short video. In this video I show a little 00 steam locomotive that goes with the set that someone gave me some time ago. The loco that was in the set was one that was manufactured by the same company that manufactured the Bachmann locomotives, and that all suffered from cracked gears, and so that the loco that was in this set, although this little loco is a 040, and I had to do a body transplant because the body that came on the loco had a big chunk out of it, and it was blue in color, but the exact same body as this one. And this one I had, again, did not have a chassis, so it was quite an easy fix. I just transplanted the body and it is running very nicely. And then I also had to do a bit of wiring on the controller, as the controller for this set is supposed to take 2 batteries, but those batteries are no longer being made or available, so I had to wire it so I could use a 12-volt transformer, although that is still a bit fast, so I had to use another step-down transformer through this controller to run it at about 6 to 8 volts, giving a nice realistic speed. So enjoy looking at this little loco until I get a chassis for the very nice body that is with the set. Thank you for watching. Give the video a like, share it with your friends.